Here we have Encelia farinosa. You're going to have a couple Facelias. I think you guys will have three. You'll have Encelia actonii, which we find up in our area in the Mojave Desert. You have this guy, Encelia farinosa, which is found mostly in the Sonoran Desert and also in interior portions of the California forested province. And then you'll have another one, the California bush sunflower, which is Encelia californica, which is strictly from the California forested province. Encelia is also called incencio in Spanish because it smells really good. It is a sunflower. As I zoom in, you will see the little daisy heads. And because it's a sunflower, you'll note that it's a whole bunch of, there you go, whole bunch of individual flowers in a flower head or capitula. Each petal is a separate flower. So that's the cool thing about, see if I can get to zoom. Nope. There we go. That's the cool thing about sunflower flowers is they're composites. Bunch of flowers. But anyways, there's an Encelia bush there, a bunch of Encelia bush growing all over this whole hillside. Lots of Encelias. Here it's growing in a wash. Typically it's not a wash plant, but it can be found growing in washes. Here's some growing next to some blooming beaver tail. See that purple flower? But yeah, so here is our Encelia again. Encelia farinosa. Farinosa referring to the silvery farinose leaves, which do smell good. Again, this is a deciduous shrub, excuse me. This shrub can lose all of its leaves during really cold weather and also during hot weather, and it will look dead, just like a bunch of sticks. But when it rains, this plant will leaf up and will bloom. It can do this any time of the year, summer or winter, but around these parts, it's mostly going to be a spring blooming plant. That's when we get our rain. Though I have seen it bloom after thunderstorms in the Sonoran Desert further east. Good plant. Gets again about 3 feet high and wide. Really good to mix with other drought tolerant native plants. Blooms a lot. Bees like it. Butterflies like it. Produces lots of seeds for birds to eat. Good housing area for animals. Not an edible plant. It was used to make incense. The sap has a really good strong smell when it's burnt. And it was also used as glue. They used the sap as a glue to glue things together. Again, this is Encelia farinosa. I just call it Encelia as its common name. And there's a whole hillside of it.